Why does your scanner show the P052C engine code? What does it mean? P052C is a diagnostic trouble code for Cold Start A Camshaft Position Timing Over-Advanced Bank 2. The P052C engine code, or indicate the engine computer, PCM or ECM, has detected that your variable valve timing VVT system is opening the intake valves too early, outside of its normal operating range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or dirty engine oil. Faulty VVT solenoid or actuator. Faulty camshaft or position sensor. Stretched timing or worn tensioner. Clogged oil passages. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Subaru, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.